Hi guys, it's David, and today I want to show you guys how to utilize a program called Lux Algo. So it's essentially a trading algorithm which you can utilize if you're interested in trading, whether that's the Forex market, cryptocurrency market, stock, equities market, whatever you're into when it comes to trading. Uh, this is definitely a tool that you might want to utilize. What I like about it is simplistic, it's easy to set up. So I'm going to get a little bit into what is required to actually set up Lux Algo and what my thoughts are on it, if it's worth it for you to spend your hard-earned dollars on Lux Algo. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So this is Lux Algo. Now, website has been updated, which is nice. Essentially, it's a way to enhance your trading experience. You integrate this into a chart called TradingView. So if you guys don't know what TradingView is, I will show you what it is, how to get it. It is free. But what Lux Algo is a trading algorithm you can add to your indicators on your TradingView, and it gives you buy and sell signals. Now, this works on every major asset. Okay, I'm talking Tesla, USD. I'm talking about Bitcoin. I'm talking about Ethereum. I'm talking about all the major assets, including Forex. Okay, so as long as you can get a chart and a chart is available, you can utilize this the software and input it into your trading algorithms, your indicators. Okay, so simple and easy to use on your desktop, like this huge screen in front of me that I'm using, or you can use a laptop or a mobile device. Okay, which is great. A lot of people are utilizing it, and it's a very, very clean interface. So what I like about that is there's not a lot of bells and whistles. Now there is more advanced technology you can use with it. I like to keep it clean, just like this when I use it. The solution for turning confusion into clarity, which we'll get into more later. So it gives you different styles of algorithms and luxury indicators for your chart. So access advanced buy and sell signals, automatic pattern detection, smart money concepts, and 20 plus more features. Top rated tools built from community feedback. So it keeps getting better and better as people utilize it and give feedback. And it continues to grow as people utilize it. And I'm still subscribed to it, so I really like it. It also comes with a Discord community for 100,000 plus in the community, so you can utilize other people's skills for yourself and see what's going on, what people are bullish on, what people are excited on, so you can make the right choice for your investment. Okay, so it comes with all that and a lot of positive feedback as well. 35,000 plus traders utilizing it. Now you don't have to be a day trader. You could be a long-term trader. You could be just buying a stock for the first time, just buying crypto for the first time. But this tool really does allow you to, on the short term or long term, see if it's a good and worth the investment. See if it's a good investment and a good time to buy. Okay. So I'll show you what you need. First, you need a TradingView account. So TradingView is this chart program, and allows you to view your favorite assets in real time. Okay, so you can see a chart on Bitcoin, Ethereum. See this list here. I got Apple, Tesla, and in this case, we're going to look at Tesla. There's market news, there's articles, there's people's recommendations, there's charting and plotting. Just a lot going on, which is great. Stocks, crypto, forex, indices, etc. Okay, so all the good stuff from different traders. You don't have to follow to a T. Just take a browse. I usually use it for just the chart. There's rumors that stock and Nasdaq will continue to move upwards, actually, as it's been having a significant dip recently, because everyone was all scared and stuff. But we are going to go bullish again in stocks, and we will get bullish again in crypto, guys. Believe it or not, may be the end of the year or the next year, but we will get bullish again. All right. So once you get TradingView, you can download it for free. Okay. There's a free version, and then there's a paid for version. Okay. You go to the pricing here. Right. So there's the free, and then there's the pro plus, and then premium. Okay. So the basic doesn't do as much as the Pro and the Pro Plus and Premiums, obviously. And then there's also basically ads on the basic. But honestly, if you can deal with the ads a little bit, then it's a free software. It's a free technology for you to utilize. So this actually does work with LuxAlgo alone, just basics. If you know bank accounts hurting right now, don't have a lot of money to spend right now off the get go, then stick with basic. If you're like myself, you don't like ads and stuff like that, then you'd go to the Pro or Pro Plus or the Premium. Okay, you can compare them here, depending on how many charts you want per tab, etc. Okay. I just kind of stick with the Pro, but you guys can get whatever you want depending on your lifestyle. Okay. Now this is actually this in action. So I'm actually utilizing Lux Algo indicator on right now. There's two types of indicators I'm utilizing. This is on Tesla. Okay. So this is the actual hourly chart. So every little bar here is 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now I have two charts open. I have the Lux Algo Premium kit on, and then I have the Oscillator Premium, which this is a little bit different. So this is kind of a color-based movement, whether we're bearish, which is red, or bullish, which is green. Okay, so whatever trading style you like to look at, whatever's easier for you, utilize that. But I usually typically have both of these on, or just utilize just the standard one here. Now, what you're going to see is this little square box here as well, which I like. You can see volatility. You can see whether we're bullish or bearish and the percentage wise out of 100. And you can also see institutional activity, right? So institutional activity can sometimes be manipulating the markets. So that's a good thing to pay attention to. Now, if you're into Tesla, then let's just say August 24th was a good time to kind of take some profits. Things were getting a little bearish back in August 24th. Okay. And it was continuing to do so until about September 6th. And there was signs of bullishness. So if you would have got in at 269, you'd be now up about $30, $32 around there, and making profits per Tesla share. Right now, that's just Tesla stock. If you're doing crypto, or percentages of stocks, right, then you might be able to make more profits because you don't have to buy a full share. But yeah, that's the hourly chart. So you can see to a T that it is accurate. You just got to utilize it right. And in these in the software, you can go to settings and tweak your settings. And the booklet, actually, the guide actually tells you exactly what you should tweak, but I'll show you guys a little bit. I have my sensitivity to about 12, and you guys can set it up higher. The reason why I set it to about 12, and so that's pretty responsive, I have that because I usually even look on the 30-minute chart or even 15-minute chart. So I want as much accuracy as possible if I'm doing a little bit of day trading, stuff like that. But those are my settings. You guys can adjust it accordingly. Okay. But it's not really good to trade on the short time frame, like 15-minute time frame, because the gains aren't as significant. But that being said, if you look here, you would have gotten at 283, made some profits, got away to 303, and that was just yeah, not too long ago, just a few days ago, right? 4 days ago. But you see how the short time frames doesn't really work with 15-minute. In crypto, it does because it's so fast. But if you would have sold at 305, bought back in at 301, yeah, that's a that's a $2 difference, right? How many shares you're gonna have to have to make profits on that, right? So I would actually recommend looking at the shortest, probably a 30-minute chart to an hour, but you guys can do whatever you want. Just know that the algorithm does really tells you if you're bullish or bearish, so you can make your own decisions when you trade. And if this is not for like the elite crazy trader that knows everything about the chart, right? Because if you did, you probably wouldn't be utilizing this. But even for that trader, it's a nice little peace of mind to kind of not have to think as much about it, and just kind of follow the software, right? That being said, well, that being said, I always recommend dollar cost averaging in and not just spending all your money all at once, because things can happen when it comes to finances, right? Anything can happen with crypto, anything can happen with stocks, anything can happen with Forex. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try to diversify a little bit and try to dollar cost average in, right? As well. So let's say this is strong, you could buy here, but buy a little bit as things are moving, right? Or sell off, a little bit at a time, because things can reverse as well. But this is the software. It's really, really cool. I like it personally. And if you want to look at something else, let's for example, look at Bitcoin on the hourly chart, right? So we started going bullish again on September 7th at 18,729. Now we're at all the way to 22,000. So if you would have got one Bitcoin then, you'd be up by quite a bit, right? And this even works on the very short term as well. So this is more like a day trading side of things. But like I said, I probably wouldn't trade on the 15-minute chart. If you have like a smaller value token, maybe, but not even. Like, let's look here. 15-minute buy-in around $60. It went up to 62. So you make $2 per Litecoin that you have. You got to have quite a bit of Litecoin to trade at those time frames, right? You really want to look at that hour-long time frame. This would have been a good one, buying in at $53 and then taking profits, around 64. So that's pretty much how it works. I really like it. Good reviews on it. You can try it yourself. Now the packages. Okay, there's a code I'm going to give you guys for 20% off. I'll have it down below. It's any 20, but I'll have it down below so you guys can get the best value, obviously. And you're going to do the buy now option. Now, this is what I actually recommend, guys, is you have monthly, which is $70 approximately. So it's 68 bucks. Quarterly, you save a little bit of money, 30% off. Yearly, you get 40% off. But this is really the one that I would recommend. If you're going to take this serious, you're going to be looking at charts, you're going to be dollar cost averaging into your portfolio, then the lifetime access is what I would recommend. You buy it once, it's yours. You don't have to think about it ever again. And you can double dip on the bonus. So what that really means is, you see how there's a sale here? You're saving quite a bit of money when you're buying the lifetime as well as the yearly. So these two, 40% off, or you can get, lifetime for 1,200, right? But what you can do is double dip, as in you get the savings here, but you're also getting 20% off with the code that I'm going to include down below. So if you want to utilize it for a lifetime, Lux Algo is not going anywhere. It's still going to be here. They're going to keep updating the Discord. So take advantage of the opportunity to get the yearly or I would actually say the lifetime if you have the funds. Okay. If you don't have the funds, start on monthly if you want, or quarterly. But if you do have the funds a little bit, one trade can pay off the lifetime membership. Let's be honest. Okay. One trade, one decent trade, you can make that back, and then some, right? There's also a 30-day money back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you don't love it. But I am an affiliate for Lux Algo as well, and I enjoy using it myself. So hopefully you guys like Lux Algo. If you guys are interested in getting it, I'll have the links down below with the discounts for you guys to save you guys a couple bucks, because every dollar counts nowadays. So I appreciate you guys watching my video. A couple ways to check out. You can pay via credit card, or you can now pay with crypto on the higher time frame. So if you're looking at the yearly or the lifetime, you can now pay with your crypto if you would like. All right. That's all for today's video. If you guys like videos about finance, trading, crypto, Forex, stocks, anything making money online, please stay tuned to the channel by subscribing. Would love if you can hit the like button. And until next time, stay bullish, and I'll see you guys in the next video.